Want to know another way to get to the top of Google and increase calls to your funeral home? It's called backlinking. Now, backlinking is a way for a website to get people to link back to it, which shows Google authority and trust. Now, here are the top 3 tips for building strong backlinks. Number one, partnerships with influencers. Now, try to find local influencers in your community and collaborate with them. For instance, ask them to write a guest post, and in return, you'll link back to their website. This can improve your domain authority by 40%. Number two, local business collaborations. Partner with local florists or caterers, write articles for their blogs like choosing flowers for a funeral, and link back to their website. Now, this adds local relevance and credibility. Three, valuable content. Create guides or infographics that are easily shareable. For example, make a guide on how to write a eulogy. Once you have a social media following, you can really leverage it by asking your followers to share out your guides. Now, stats show that sites with quality backlinks rank 15 positions higher on Google. When other sites find your content useful, they'll link back to you. So follow these steps to build strong backlinks and see how you rank in Google after that. Follow me for more tips and tricks.